Welcome guys, this is contact program in C++. In this program I created three functions: add contact function to add the contacts, search function to search contacts function to search for contacts, and display contacts function to display all contacts. Let's run the program. It prompted enter your choice, add a new contact, enter one, enter your name, enter Asif, enter the phone number, enter the phone number. Options: add a new contact, search for contact, display all contacts. Once again add one more number, enter the phone number. Now search for contact, enter the name to search, enter Asif, and it displays name Asif, phone number. Similarly, display all contacts. It displays two contacts which I have created. Now exit the program. Program exit.